KETAS system. The KETAS is a standalone gel documentation system designed to capture fluorescent gel images and export the images to the analysis software band tool for image enhancement and 1D gel analysis. Optional darkroom configuration is available, the UV-safe top window for viewing the gel position, side doors for easy access to the gel and for gel excision, and an emission filter slider with up to 3 filter capacity. The KETAS system is shipped with the darkroom, camera holder set, and UV transilluminator. Place the darkroom on a level benchtop before assembly. The camera holder set is equipped with the camera and lens. To install the camera holder set, remove the nuts, washers, and rings on the 4 screws along with the rubber pad. Place the rubber pad on top of the darkroom. Align the screw holes and mount the camera holder set on top of the rubber pad. Secure the camera holder set with the nuts, washers, and rings by screwing them from inside of the darkroom. Plug in the camera USB cable on the back of the darkroom. Install the emission filter on the lens or on a slot of the filter slider. Place the UV transilluminator on the rollout tray. Plug in the intensity controller cable and the power cable. Set the intensity to low and switch on the power. Alternatively, the Wheeltech BW20 blue and white transilluminator can be used with the KETAS system. Place it directly on top of the UV transilluminator and plug in the 24-volt outlet inside the darkroom. To connect the main power, plug the power cable into the back of the darkroom and the other end into the power outlet. Switch the main power switch to on position. Now the KETAS is ready for use. To power up the system, press the power button on the lower right side of the system. The image capture software will boot up automatically after the power is on. Select the language from here. The KETAS now should be ready for image capture. On the front control panel, turn on the safety interlock switch. This will ensure the UV transilluminator turns off when the door is open. Set the intensity to high and turn on the transilluminator. Open the door and place a fluorescent ruler on top of the UV transilluminator. Close the door and adjust the aperture, zoom and focus. Adjust the aperture to the widest. Adjust the zoom to the gel size you want to observe. Adjust the focus with the fluorescent ruler and the magnifier function in live mode. Select freeze to enter capture mode once the focus has been adjusted. Select auto exposure to capture an image with an ideal exposure time determined by the system. From here, users can choose to add exposure time or reduce exposure time in millisecond. Select Expo to set exposure time manually. To export images to your thumb drives, plug in the thumb drive and select Disk. Select disk location on the top right and save. To print images, ensure the thermal printer has plugged in and the power is on. Select Print to print out the image.